हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आप सभी का स्वागत है मेरे इस यूट्यूब चैनल एस्ट्रो किताब में। वेलकम टू ऑल माय फ्रेंड्स। टिल नाउ I have discussed with you lots of books related to astrology, but mostly are related to their topics, like some are related where the most knowledge given related to planet, dasha, bhukt and nakshatras and lots more. Today I just come with a special book. In this book mainly focus on remedies, because final conclusion which expect by the client is that what remedies should I have do so I can recover from my problem. So I just tell you about this book. The book name is Remedial Measures in Astrology, and it is written by Dr. G.S. Kapoor. So this book is simply and easy to adopt the measures for protection from malevolent planetary effects. So let's start with chapter 1. So in chapter 1 tells you about the preliminary knowledge about the birth chart and some aspects of astrology, birth chart, houses, sign, constellations, planet, Vimshottari dashas, and information as how planets get affected. In chapter 2, nature, function and characteristics of planets, effects of their affliction. Chapter 3, proportion of malevolent planet by prayer, things which are to be given in the charity, significance and utility of mantras, for preparation of planets, Vak Shakti mantra for the different planets, correct procedure for acting mantra, procedure for fasting, benefic effects of blessing from the elders, Vedic mantras of planets. Chapter 4, proportion of planets and color division of the lights of the sun, origin of 7 colors, relationships of colors with various planets, importance of color therapy, practical use of color therapy. So it is one of the important topic in this book, how from the help of color therapy we can measure the protection and take care from the effects of planets. Chapter 5, remedial merits of gemstones and Dharma Shastra, speciality in gems, the ruling stones principle for using the gemstones, suitability of gemstones for various ascendant. Chapter 6, gem therapy, the 7 rays and color of rainbows, their significance and importance, cosmic colors of planets and their gem principle of gem therapy, and glimpse of teletherapy. Lots more in chapter 6. Chapter 7, the proportion of planets, cheap, simple, effective and easy to perform rites for preparation of planets are given in Lal Kitab. So the explanation about such belief, their remedial values and practical utility. Chapter 8, next chapter, various kinds of affliction of planets and their consequence, what is destiny, compoundable and non-compoundable sinful deeds, information about the nature of sun, moon and other planets and consequential evil effects and their applications, suitable remedies measure. Chapter 9, remedial measures illustrated through birth chart. Chapter 10, consideration of the 12 houses in the context of remedial measure. Chapter 11, remedial measures for disease caused by sinful deeds as given in question mark. Chapter 12, panacea of all ill gifts of nature, possessing remedial measure, use of roots of herbs and plants for proportion of planets. Chapter 13, Yantra of Sun and other planets and their utility, and chapter 14, some remedial mantra for solving day-to-day problems. So I think this is the one of the best book for remedies. Best book. It cover each and every topic through all ways how we can do remedies, either through gemstones, through mantra, through colors, through any way. You have to choose which one is suitable for you. So I think this is one of the best book. So if you want to know more about this book, you can contact us, and if you want to buy this book, you can contact me on my WhatsApp number and on my email ID. And thanks for watching my videos. Thanks for subscribe my channel, and please do share and press the bell icon button so you can get the notification for upcoming videos. Thank you so much.